the winter session of Parliament starts today. It is the final Parliament session of the year. 16 new bills are slated to be tabled in the Parliament. In fact, some of the bills have already been passed by either of the houses or have been reviewed by parliamentary committees and will be taken to the next level. It is going to be an action-packed session. Here's a full report on what to expect.
The 7th of December 2022. Today, the winter session of Parliament commences. Sources have said that the session will last until the 29th of December with 17 sittings and all 17 days working. Earlier on Tuesday, the government had convened an all-party meeting and discussed legislative agendas, including important issues that would be raised during the winter session. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prahlad Joshi, DMK MP T.R. Balu, Harsimrat Kaur Badal of the Shiromani Akali Dal and Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary of the Congress were among several leaders who were present in the meeting. The government plans to introduce 16 bills, 3 of which the Congress has previously opposed.
हिंदुस्तान में जो फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर, बहुत सारे सूबे की ये डर होते हैं कि हमारा फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर पे प्रहार होते हैं, संघीय ढांचा पे प्रहार होते हैं। इस विषय में भी सदन के अंदर चर्चा हो। तरह तरह की मुद्दा हमारी तरफ से रखे गए हैं।
Meanwhile, TRS Member of Parliament Keshav Rao claimed that the coordination between centre and states is coming to an end.
पहले सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है ये गवर्नमेंट जो है अपने सेंट्रल एजेंसीज को अपोजिशन गवर्नमेंट के अगेंस्ट दौड़ा रही है।
Shiv Sena Uddhav Bal Thackeray MP Priyanka Chaturvedi raised the situation of the Kashmiri Pandit issue. The Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prahlad Joshi condemned her allegations.
हम किसी भी मुद्दे पर क्यों ना हो, हम चर्चा करने के लिए तैयार है। कुछ सुझाव उन लोगों के तरफ से, अपोजिशन तरफ से आए हुए हैं, हमने नोट किया है। बीएसी में हम चर्चा करेंगे। चर्चा करके जिस मुद्दे पर, जिस विषय पर स्पीकर साहब और चेयरमैन साहब अनुमति देंगे उसके ऊपर चर्चा होगा और बहुत डिटेल में 2.5 घंटे से ज़्यादा हमारा चर्चा हुआ है। और out of 47 parties, 31 parties have participated.
Congress leader Rahul Gandhi is unlikely to attend the session because of the Bharat Jodo Yatra. Meanwhile, the Rajya Sabha leader of opposition Mallikarjun Kharge has called a meeting of like-minded opposition party floor leaders to chalk out a strategy for the opposition. Reports have also suggested that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is likely to interact with the media. This may just be the last session in the old Parliament building. Rest assured, it will most definitely be a politically charged session. Bureau Report, Republic TV.